Alright, so it's time to replace the battery on this 740i. This is still the original battery with 90 AH. And as you can see here, the date is about 2016. It's printed somewhere here. I saw it earlier here, right there. And I'm gonna go with 105 AH, which is a little bit bigger, and there should be plenty of or enough room for that bigger battery to fit in here. As you can see, there's another hole for the screw, and this is the actual battery. All right, so let's go ahead and do it. As you can see, the car is now in deep sleep mode. So basically, just keep the key far away from the vehicle and do not move it. And this car will automatically go into deep sleep state in about 15 to 20 minutes, give or take. So when the vehicle finally goes into deep sleep state, all you gotta do is to just unmount the battery from this negative and positive posts. Take off the bracket here, lift this up, should be easy. Put this on the side, then replace it with a new battery. Now, since I'm upgrading to a bigger battery, which is 105 AH, I still have plenty of space right here on the right hand side, and it should fit right in. And don't forget to remove this hose and attach it to the new battery. And of course there's another here. All you gotta do is just plug it, and this is on the negative side. So the new battery comes with it, especially if you bought a brand new or an OEM battery from BMW. Otherwise, I cannot speak for the aftermarket ones, whether or not they contain those small pieces or parts. But I'm sure you can replace them with from the old to the new one. So with that being said, let me go ahead and get started. So here's a side-by-side comparison between a 90 AH battery and a 105 AH battery. It's probably about 2 inches difference. So now it's time for battery registration process. This time around, I'm gonna use the Foxwell, but you can also use Beamerlink and Beamer Code. Beamer Code for coding the new capacity of the battery, and Beamerlink for the registration of a new battery. So let me go ahead and start doing this coding. And that's how I replace the battery on the 740i. Hope this video provided an insight on how to replace this battery. So with that being said, I'm heading down to the local BMW shop to return or drop off this for the core charge. Till the next one.